Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to install PHP on Windows 10. So to do that, we'll just need to go to Google and we search for PHP. You can as well add PHP install Windows. So the first search results, you click on it and go over to downloads. And under the downloads, we have the current stable PHP 8.1.9, which is the most current as at today. So, or you can as well decide to install the PHP 8.0.22. So, but for this video, let's go over to Windows installation. So if you look here, you would see Windows downloads. So go over here and click on Windows downloads. So under the Windows downloads, you would see there's PHP 8.2, which has no release as at this date. So we also have the download source code, the download test package, and also the zip file. So I want us to get the zip file. So let's download the zip file for x64. Okay, so let's go over here. So let's come here and download this and save it there. So we have downloaded this. So let's go over to show in folder, and we should be able to see the folder that this has been downloaded on. So let me bring this here. So this is the folder which it has downloaded on. So I want to extract this folder. Okay, I want to extract it. So let's go over and extract files. So here it is that we can extract this. So now we have the extracted file. I want us to rename this file to PHP. Just rename these to ordinarily PHP by removing the other ones. Okay, so what we want to do now is to copy this file to our program files. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy these. Copy, where's that? Copy, and then we'll go to this PC program files. All right, so go to program files. Okay, and now we can go here and let's paste this on here. So let's paste, and once this is done, I want to replace. So because I have copied this initially, so it's asking me to replace. So just click on replace the files in this destination. Okay, so because I already have it, so we have the PHP 8.9 installed. So let's go into this PHP 8.1.9. So here we have all the files for PHP. Then what we are concerned about is to get the link to the PHP file. So let's just left click on the line and you copy. So let's copy this. So now what we want to do is to paste this in our environment variable. So let's go ahead and search, go to the start and search for environment variable. So let's go to environment variable. So here is the edit system environment variable. So let's go ahead and click on that. So mine brought these up. So here we have the environment system properties. So let's go to environment variables, and here we have for the different users. So if you want to install it for one user, you can use this one, but we want to install for all users, which is a system variable. So let's go over here and look for path. So let's look for the path, and when we click on path, then we'll say edit. Okay, so now we have the path edit. So we want to create a new path. So let's create a new path, and here we want to paste the link that we copied for our PHP. Okay, so because I had done this initially, so I have double installation, so I'm not going to paste this, but all you just have to do is to click on OK. All right, so I'm just going to cancel this. All right, so now we have our PHP installed. We want to go to our command prompt and confirm if truly we have PHP installed. So go over here and go to CMD, and this is our command prompt. You want to run it as administrator. Yes, so want that to be done. So now this is our command prompt. So for this, we want to see if our PHP has been installed. So let's go over and hit PHP. No, let's come here. Sorry, this is our command prompt, and so want to do npm. Sorry, I was talking about node. So want to do PHP and /v, okay, or -v. So let's click enter, and here we have our PHP 7.2.33 has been installed. So in this case, this is a good sign to show that our PHP has been installed. So I hope you like this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, notification button. Thank you so much.